The new update happened with one of the cars. I don't know about all of the cars have the new update, but let's check out the car that I said had the new update. This car has the new update. We're gonna go and like that manpower. So let's go and select. Let's go daytime on this map. Let's see what the top speed is. No! Oh my gosh, I don't want you guys to see this not. So we are logging in right now. Sorry for that I had to skip. Got me a good party now. You see that the fire show about a month ago, I believe. Yeah, that's got very good. So, okay, let's start the engine. Okay, let's go. I've got to put the microphone down to just to do this. So guys, I just want to the quick little announcement. I will not be live because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so no. Tell your family's friends, tell any of your friends, just to subscribe and like to me. I just want Game Papa. I'm trying my best. If the videos are disappearing after a little bit, what the heck happened there? Let's damage the car so you guys can see. Battlefield. They actually put a couple of new buildings in the game, actually. Hey, right after this video, I want to my. Ready, guys? You want to do a burnout? Come on, you snap off already. I know. Okay, there goes the front bumper. See the front bumper's going now? You didn't see that. Oh god, the hood popped up. That means it's time to leave. Okay, the back bumper, the hood is up. I can't see it at all, you see? I'm recording. Oh gosh. Am I dead? Did the hood just pop off? The hood just popped off. Look at that engine in the air there. Oh god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my! Oh my god! The engine just shut it off. Dude, the engine just shut it off. Dude, I wish I got that first cam because I think I'm dead. Yep. Looks like the car's dead, guys. So you guys, so right now, guys, I want to. My car engine will not keep starting, so we gotta do this until we get back to the repair station. Okay. Alright, just a second. Guys, I'll come back just a second. Okay. A little bit cut off.
Let go of it before you break it.
You just ruined my YouTube video.
Well, you wouldn't listen.
Oh, God. Dang it. My mom just ruined my YouTube video. You guys should put a comment down below. No more mom in the YouTube video now. Because that is so bad. I worked about 10 minutes doing this video. My mom just comes in like, nope. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I tested it. Ready? Let's go. Full speed ahead. Wait, what? No! We just repaired it. Now let's just do it better. Ready, set, go. Oh, wait. Hello guys, I'm back again, but let's see if we can get the car damaged again. You know, we're not going to do that. Let's go on fast cam and let's actually spoil the place for the last 2 minutes. I like the steering wheel turn like the thing, like not being able to drive to just do this. It's a race truck. Oh good. Oh, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes. I like that the gauges actually worked. Let's see if we can try to get around the whole track. Was that a plane crash? That's a plane crash right there. Now we're not going to spoil up this episode. Oh God, turn the wrong way! Do it! Wait a second, what is this? Turn back around. Okay guys, what is this? What is this, guys? I was about to end the video right there, but I gotta cut my iron setting. This is weird. What is this? This is new. to the racetrack. This is cool. I want to explore what's back here. What's that? Oh God! Why does the track go like that? Okay. Looks like we're gonna fly. Oh God! Oh. I'm gonna end it off here because of football. So see you in the next video. Oh, come microphone for woo! Goodbye for now. Boo.